Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. I am so glad you're joining us today because we've got a fantastic, super focused session lined up. We are going to take a structured, step-by-step deep dive into an incredibly powerful financial feature that's actually hidden right inside an app you probably already use every single day. Yep, we're talking about Botim. We're going to completely unpack their Send Now, Pay Later loan feature. My goal here is to make absolutely sure that by the time we wrap up, you understand exactly how it works, what the actual out-of-pocket costs are, and how to navigate the whole process without a single bit of confusion. Right, so we've got to start with the real-world scenario that makes this feature so, well, incredibly relevant. Just imagine this. You need to send money back home to your family, and it is urgent. Maybe it's a true emergency or you're up against a strict deadline, but there's a massive roadblock. Your current bank balance is sitting at zero, and your next payday? Yeah, it's still weeks away. It's a highly stressful and, unfortunately, a very relatable situation for so many expat workers who are just trying to balance life in a new country with heavy responsibilities back home. Okay, let's dive into this. First, we'll look at the urgent problem of cash flow shortages. Second, we'll introduce what Botim's SNPL actually is. Third, we'll break down the costs and terms. Fourth, the application process. And finally, eligibility and contact requirements. Section 1, the urgent problem. Cash flow shortages. You know, the harsh reality of international remittances is that the need for money doesn't exactly run on the same schedule as your paycheck. Family responsibilities, medical emergencies, or sudden bills back home, they simply do not hit pause just because you are temporarily low on cash. So there's this very real, very frustrating gap between the urgent need to transfer funds and actually having the liquidity to do it. Section 2. What is Botim SNPL? The instant solution. Well, this is exactly where Botim steps in to bridge that gap we were just talking about. They've rolled out a really powerful feature called Send Now, Pay Later, or SNPL for short. And here is the big number you need to know. Through this feature, users can secure an instant loan ranging from just 100 dirhams all the way up to a maximum of 5,000 dirhams. And honestly, the best part? You can do this whole thing directly within the Botim app to immediately transfer those funds internationally. And it's a perfect illustration of the sheer convenience of modern digital finance. Just look at these perks. You get instant approval in essentially just 2 taps on your screen. There is absolutely no physical paperwork required. Literally zero. Massive stacks of documents to print, sign, and lug to a bank. Plus, they give you flexible repayment terms to fit your own timeline. It just completely bypasses the traditional, painfully slow banking processes. Section 3. Costs and terms. Understanding the fees. Okay, time for a bit of a reality check. Because, as we all know, financial convenience always comes with an added cost. Now, what's really interesting about how the math breaks down here is the flexibility, but also the trade-off. Let's say you want to send a loan amount of 410 dirhams. If you choose to pay that back in 1 month, you'll owe a single payment of 432 dirhams. That means you're paying 22 dirhams in extra charges. Not too bad, right? But if you stretch that exact same 410 dirham loan out over a 6-month term, your monthly payment drops to 80 dirhams. Sounds easier to handle, right? But 80 times 6 months? That is 480 dirhams total. Which leads us directly to this absolute golden rule. The longer your repayment term, the higher your extra charges are going to be. Stretching that payment out over 3 or 6 months makes the monthly hit to your wallet feel a lot smaller, but the total interest you end up paying at the end is significantly higher. It is absolutely crucial to understand this trade-off. You want to make an informed, responsible decision when you're selecting your terms in the app. Section 4. Application process. Setting up the transfer. Let's move to and see how this builds logically within the app itself. First, you open it up, go to International Transfer, and make sure you have a beneficiary set up. If you regularly send money via Botim, you've probably already done this. Second, you just tap the specific option labeled Send Now, Pay Later. Third, select your preferred repayment plan, whether that's 1, 2, 3, or 6 months, keeping those fees we just talked about in mind. And finally, step 4, make sure a debit card is added for auto repayment. This lets Botim automatically collect the funds when your due date rolls around. Section 5, Eligibility and Contacts, the final approval. All right, this brings us to the final hurdle. Before they just hand over the money, the system obviously needs to verify you're a trustworthy candidate. When you tap Check Eligibility, you have to input a few specific details. First, you select your monthly income bracket from a drop-down menu, say 1,000 to 3,000 dirhams. You can toss in an email address if you want, but that's optional. But here is the critical part. You absolutely must provide your own personal mobile number. And you are strictly required to add a secondary emergency contact number. You'll need their name and your relationship to them, like a parent, a friend, a sibling, or a spouse. And the reason for this is perfectly summed up by this insight. You have to give 2 contact numbers. They might call if you do not pay. It will not just give you a loan for nothing. Now, I know it might seem slightly surprising at first to involve a friend or family member, but think about it. It is completely logical. It acts as a safety net for the lender. If you default on your auto payments, they need a backup contact to reach out to. It's really the ultimate proof of trust required for this kind of instant digital approval. And that brings us to the end of our explainer. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a really thought-provoking question based on everything we've unpacked today. Is the convenience of instant money worth the extra repayment cost for your specific situation? Bottom's Send Now Pay Later is undeniably a powerful, incredibly helpful tool for those stressful, urgent moments. But as we've clearly seen, it really requires you to understand the long-term financial reality and make the commitment to pay it back. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. Keep learning, stay focused, and I will catch you in the next one.